Welcome to AI Meets Marketing News, where we share the latest trends and insights in AI marketing. The AI race just got even more intense. Chinese tech giant Alibaba has launched its latest AI model, Qwen 2.5 Max, in a direct challenge to OpenAI, Meta, and rising domestic rival DeepSeek. The surprise release on the first day of the Lunar New Year signals the urgency to counter DeepSeek's meteoric rise. Alibaba claims Qwen 2.5 Max outperforms OpenAI's GPT-4o, Meta's Llama 3.1, 405B, and DeepSeek's V3 model almost across the board. This comes as DeepSeek shakes up the industry with its rapid advancements. In just 3 weeks, DeepSeek's AI breakthroughs have sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley, even causing a dip in tech stocks. DeepSeek's launch of its AI assistant on January 10, followed by its powerful R1 model on January 20, has forced rivals to scramble. Just 2 days later, TikTok owner ByteDance upgraded its flagship AI, claiming it now outperforms OpenAI's O1 model. DeepSeek's aggressive strategy has also sparked a price war. Its previous model, DeepSeek V2, was released at just yuan per million tokens, forcing Alibaba and Baidu to slash their prices by up to 97%. However, cracks are appearing in DeepSeek's dominance. A recent audit by NewsGuard ranked its chatbot 10th out of 11 tested models, citing accuracy issues, misinformation, and vague responses. Meanwhile, experts warn that rapid AI advancements may lead to regulatory challenges. Governments worldwide are closely monitoring the situation. Industry leaders are calling for a balance between innovation and responsible AI development. With competition heating up, the question remains, can DeepSeek maintain its momentum, or will established giants like Alibaba reclaim the lead? Stay tuned as the AI race intensifies. Thanks for tuning in to AI News. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates from AI Meets Marketing.
Subscribe to AME's Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.